For the cheapest Steam games, check out G2A, which has all the latest titles and AAA games that even surpass Steam summer sales. Click the link below to check out their awesome pricing. Hey guys, it's Mustafa with MTech, and today I'm going to be looking at the Eastern Times Tech mechanical gaming keyboard named the i900 and going through all its features, what I like about it, and more in this video. So let's get started with some basic specs. The build is made of partly plastic and partly what I can only assume is a thick steel front plate, which feels very sturdy and gives the keyboard a high quality feeling to it. It doesn't feature a braided USB cord, but that's not such a big deal for me. This keyboard is a full 104 key mechanical keyboard that does not hold Cherry MX keys, but a similar variant to them, and they do most closely resemble the Cherry MX blue switches and are removable, showing a Cherry style stem, making it compatible with any Cherry MX keycaps. These keys are rated for 50 million keystrokes, which is a pretty sizable amount compared to other mechanical switches and much larger than rubber dome keyboards. There is anti-ghosting in this keyboard, so whatever combination of keys that you press simultaneously, it will be registered, which is a great advantage for many games. The keys do feature full backlighting with many colors, however these are static, so the colors in each row will stay the same color. The LEDs are dissipated well because the mechanical switches are in a clear housing, which are not seen in many Cherry MX keys. Even though this may not be the same RGB per key backlighting you get on some other keyboards like the Corsair K70, you still do get a lot of different lighting features that look very cool and are customizable as well. All you have to do is hold the function button along with the insert button repeatedly to cycle through. First off, we have the boot up animation, which you can set on in a loop. Then we have the spectrum like wave animation. Then we have a reactive ripple effect. Next, there's a static mode with no animation. After that, there's a per key reactive typing mode. Then there's a breathing or pulsating animation. And after that, a gaming highlighted key mode. Then these cool looking traces of light. And then finally a wave that meets in the middle. But that's not all. There are even more when you press the function and any number in the row from 1 to 8, as well as 3 brightness modes: off, dim, or fully on. And these can be set throughout any lighting mode using the function button and the up or down arrow keys. And the speed of the animation can be set using the function button and left and right arrow keys. So my thoughts: I really do like this keyboard. It's surprisingly well built, and I forgot to mention it is spill resistant, although I didn't test that out. There are many lighting modes, which is a plus. Even though the colors can't be changed, it looks really damn good. The keys themselves not being Cherry MX keys doesn't really detract anything, as I haven't used MX switches before, and in fact this is my first mechanical keyboard, and I thoroughly enjoyed the typing experience you get on it. It definitely feels of quality, and it's very satisfying to feel and hear the clickiness of the keys. Here's a sample. Anyway, I suggest you check this keyboard out. I'll have the link in the description below, and while you're there, feel free to click that like button. It does help a lot. Subscribe if you enjoyed this content, and I'll see you in the next one.